Hello friends, today in this video I will share with you the 4 skills. If you get command on those 4 skills and then you will learn the English language, probably no one can stop you learning the English language. So get command on those 4 skills, and the first skill is, I will talk about the first skill, that is the listening skill. If you have the listening skill, that whenever you go through the social media and you have the ability to listen the videos, the podcast, there are so many programs in English language, and if you have a good listening power, then I think that you will improve your English in no time. So increase your listening power. This is the first thing, the basic thing, that if you improve your listening skill, then I think that you will grow your talent of English language. You will grow in English language very soon. So listen, go through social media and listen the videos in English language of your choice, where there you are interested in. Don't watch or listen the videos where there you are not interested in. Watch the videos of your interest. If you are interested in listening or watching the interviews of celebrities, then watch those interviews in English language of your favorite celebrities. If you are willing to watch the interviews or podcast of players, then watch those interviews in English language. If you are interested in politics and you want to improve your knowledge of politics, then I think watch the videos or programs or interviews of your great interested politicians in English language. Then I think that you will improve your English language in no time. If you watch the videos where you are not interested in, such as I am interested in art and culture, I am giving you the example. I am interested in art and cultures, and if I will watch the videos of art and cultures, interviews of actors, writers, directors, producers, then I have the interest in that medium. Then I will get the knowledge also, and I will improve my English language. There are the two benefits, both benefits which we will get. So watch videos of your interest on internet, on social media in English language. This is the listening skill. When you will improve your listening skill, then the second number is the speaking skill. Whatever you listen, try to speak those words, sentences in English language. First of all, if you are a beginner, then you should listen the videos of common people, those who speaks in very slow way, very natural way, understandable way. Then try to imitate them. Try to speak the sentences which you listen again and again. Build your skills of speaking. Speak with someone, your friends. Find any person in your friends or in your family who is better than you in English language, and try to talk with him in English language. Where there you find any kind of difficulty while understanding the sentence or difficult words, then you can get help from your that family member. In this way, I think that you will start speaking the language at best level. Some people have the power that they can understand the English language, but they can't speak the English language. This is the problem with most of the non-native English speakers, because there are a lot of pupils, those have done triple MA, MA English, those are good in academia, but when it comes to speak the language, they fail. They can't speak the language in proper way because they lack the practice of speaking the language. So to speak, the practice is required. And how can you do the practice? with your friends or family member who is better than you in English language. So you make your practice on daily basis. Don't miss any day. Make your practice on daily basis. In this way, I think that you will improve English language very soon, in no time. This is the second skill that I have discussed with you. The third skill is the reading skill. Before this, I discussed the listening skill, the speaking skill, now the reading skill. Try to read the newspaper in English language. Some books are booklets in English language. Small level stories where there not difficult words are used. Read them. Read them the books of English language of basic classes. Don't read the advanced level books. If you want to improve your English language, read the books of basic classes, from where you will understand the language very easily. If you in the beginning read the books of advanced level, then I think you will face some kind of problems while understanding the sentences, because there some difficult words are used. But when you read the basic level things, there are simple words and you can understand those words very easily. And make some friends on social media who are willing to know the English language and chat with them through WhatsApp. There are other mediums which you are interested in. Chat them in English language in a written shape. Write them some things, ask them about their routines, daily activities. He will give you the answers, then you will give the answers. Then through this chatting, you will improve your reading skills. Reading skills, and then to understand those reading. These are the three skills. First, I have shared with you the listening skill. Second, the speaking skill. And the third, the reading skill. Now, the fourth skill is the writing skill. Write some stories of low level, don't write advanced level stories. For example, I will give you some instances that whatever you did in your past from morning to evening, you can write those activities in your own ways, in your own sentences. There might be the mistakes, but you can make the correction of those mistakes from that person who is better than you in English language, or you can check those on internet. There are so many translators. You can, if you are feeling any kind of difficulty while writing, that you want to write some specific sentence, but you don't know the English of any kind of word, then write in your national language and make the translation of that sentence from Google Translator, or there are many other translators. Get the help from social media, from internet. There are too much facilities. If you want to improve yourself, if you want to improve your skills of learning English language, there are too much facilities available on social medias, and all the facilities are in your hand in the shape of cell phone. Your mobile phone is your teacher. If you want to improve your skills in English language, then this social media, the internet world will help you a lot. So I think that these four skills, if you get command, if you succeed in getting the command on these four skills, then you will go in the next step. And next step is the advanced level English language. To learn the advanced level English language, your basic step should be completed. And four skills I shared with you. If you want to master yourself in English language, don't think that whenever you speak the English language, there might be some kind of mistake. Don't bother about those mistakes. Non-native people always make the mistakes in their speaking. This is not your first language. This is the second language. You are just learning this language because this is the global language and you want to make your friends on international level. You want to expand your talent throughout the world. So you are learning this language. This will help you a lot in your business, in your career, and whenever if you want to get any kind of job abroad, then all the interviews there are in English language. And if you know the English language, this will help you to pass the interview, because the companies prefer those people to select for jobs who are good in English language. If you are good in English language, then I think that you will succeed on international level, because you know that world has become the global village. Right now you are not limited to your family, your area, your country. You have to face the challenges of international world. So prepare yourself according to the present era. Present era is not limited. This is the global era, and you should know the global language. Without knowing this language, you cannot communicate with other nationalities. Those don't know your language. You don't know their language. This is the medium. This is the language that will make the bridge between different nationalities. Through this language, you will improve your talent. You will improve your skills. You will get a lot of knowledge. There are a lot of stuff on social media, everywhere. You will find in English language, and if you know the English language, if you improve your English language, I think that this will help you a lot to grow your talent, to improve yourself. Hope you find this video very useful, and always try to spread the peace in the world and take care of your poor and needy people. Whenever you get any kind of benefit, keep some shares of poor people, give them. This is very good thing. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give your feedback below in comment box. Right now allow me from this video. In next video I will talk on some other subjects. Till then, allow me, Altaf Malik. You are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.